welcome to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we're going to have a little mooch round the Christmas section in Summerhill Garden Centre. They put up their Christmas decorations in the August bank holiday, and I thought I'd have a go and have a little mooch and film it all so you guys can get your Christmassy tree kind of overall decoration inspiration in time to actually go and shop in the shops, because they've actually got all their stuff out now. So if you'd like to see what they have, then just keep watching. So before you actually get into the Christmas section, they've got lots of these kind of baubles that are kind of different. You've got tomato ketchup, lots of different alcohol bottles, and then burgers, and just kind of all sorts of random decorations. I feel like these would be a really fun gift if someone has a particular interest, whether that is growing vegetables or in the next, so you see footballs and planes. I think they're a really nice gift if someone likes a specific activity. And then I went into the main thing, which I'm going to just let you soak up all the Christmassy goodness. I have a lot of decorations hanging from the ceiling, which is super cute and something I wish to replicate. If you had a really high ceiling, you could, and it's such an easy way to kind of get festive all over. I really liked these, but they were super expensive and so huge, so you need to definitely have a huge tree for that. But I do love kind of the red and white kind of candy theme, and I definitely think one day I will do that for my theme of my tree. Mainly focus on the big trees and big kind of arrangements, but they also have lots and lots of different things like little Santas, little nutcrackers, and just overall lots of other kind of home decor stuff that's Christmassy. So if you are in the market for anything like that, then definitely check out Summerhill, because they have lots of extra bits, not just trees and decorations. There were so many gorgeous arrangements like this one, but they were so expensive. I'm talking like £100 upwards. I filmed a lot of them in this video, but definitely something I'd love to DIY. So if you're interested in seeing that, I know we're a little bit far off from Christmas, then let me know and I'll start gathering pieces to make arrangements like this, maybe for a table centerpiece, maybe even a coffee table. So if you'd like to see that, then just let me know. And I think, yeah, definitely things like foliage, baubles, and just lots of different textures is the key to a really nice tree. They also have lots of gorgeous kind of photo opportunity, photo walls, and normally you can buy every single piece that's in there as well, just to help you with the inspiration. But as you can see, I then went on to the silver kind of gold decorations, and again with the hanging kind of ceiling decorations, I saw a lot of that, a lot of very big flowers to pop in your tree, and just overall things aren't just baubles, sort of foliage, flowers, and loads of other different textures. I think that's what I saw the most of, is kind of similar colour baubles, but just lots and lots of different textures in your tree. And I loved this little kind of garland, and I thought that was a really good price to go on a fireplace. But there was just so many gorgeous arrangements. I love the idea of having a mirror on the tree. I think that's really fun. And yeah, I was just overall really inspired by the trip, and there's so many gorgeous different things. They were a little bit more unusual, maybe not so traditional, but I really like that. And again, the gorgeous things. They always go all out with kind of the theming. I loved kind of the difference in colours. Like this one had all jewel tones on the tree. I thought this is super different. I've not seen that before. And it's very different. I actually rewatched my video from last year, and the colours are very different from last year, and I loved how they kind of mixed it up with lots of sagey, kind of more paler greens I really loved. Lots and lots of big accessories that kind of are oversized, but I do think you can't beat the classic red and gold Christmas. This was definitely my favourite part, all of the nutcrackers. I know they're probably quite a love it or hate it thing, but I really love all the nutcrackers, and to see them all in different sizes, different colours, I really liked that. So I loved this little corner, and I had to get some footage of it. So these are definitely a newer colour I'm seeing, but I really like it. But I'm not quite sure how it would look on like a traditional green tree, if it would kind of clash with kind of that sort of darker green. But I do really like it, and I'm intrigued to see if people use it this year and kind of what other colours they style it with. They also had lots of these little gnomes and nutcrackers in more of a pinky colour, and this whole back section of the shop was all pinks and I really like that. I know it's not super traditional, but I do like it. And my beauty tree, which I have for my Simply Vibrant beauty studio, is pink, so I do appreciate the selection of pink decorations. I like it in combination with silver, and I loved these feathers. They were definitely a little bit unusual, but again, I'd be intrigued to see how people style that. I know I like a feather boa on my tree, so I can see how that would work. Lots of the baubles I thought were actually gorgeous, but also quite simple. I liked this one with just a bit of lace on. I thought that was gorgeous, and I thought the flowers were lovely. A lot of, again, like holographic-y, which I'm not sure I'm so keen on. I prefer to stick with kind of just a plain pink tree, but they had lots of food decorations and lots of donuts. These giant gnomes were gorgeous. They're quite expensive, but they looked so cute, and definitely something you could get out every year, so I really liked them. Again, with the unicorn decorations, we see that a lot this year, so they're super cute, especially if you've got young children. But again, this gorgeous pink tree is definitely more my style. And the lace is back again. I love the lace, and I definitely think that'll be an easy one to replicate, kind of on a budget. Again, lots and lots of gorgeous kind of arrangements, but they're really, really expensive. I definitely think we can make that for cheaper. Lots of donuts. Again, I don't know what's festive about a donut, but I do love one, so I can see the appeal. I love this little ice skate. To be honest, all of the decorations were gorgeous. You could spend a small fortune in here because they have such lovely decorations. So a little bit unusual, lots of photo corners, and it's just a really nice place to go for an afternoon. I think this is my favourite bauble I've seen. It's so dainty and so gorgeous, and I also love just all the pinks. I am quite partial, and I loved that bow, and I literally went on a hunt for that. Again, bringing in tinsel but in a different way, I quite like that. Here's the bow. I finally found it. I thought that was a really nice added thing. You can also obviously buy your actual Christmas trees and giant Christmas decorations like this Santa. A lot of the back of the shop is more outdoor decorations, kind of different things like that. So here is all the outdoor decorations. They also have basically every colour of bauble and style you could ever want, and I also have them in really kind of tiny sizes, which is super cute. I did try and find the price and actually couldn't see it, but I literally love the idea of little tiny baby baubles, even if it's on a big tree. And finally, some little gnomes, which I thought was so cute, and I really want to get the pink one for my tree. So that's all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment what your favourite colour scheme tree was down below, and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!